Petey?
Right there, like you can see him. He's moving.
Because he's looking for food.
I know. Maybe it is urgent. He was down there.
Bottom?
Yeah, he was looking for to eat that leaf.
Eat this leaf, Petey. So our pet Petey has turned into Petey and Pals, affectionately now known as Petey, Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, and yes, Eddie.
Eddie's the newest.
So between this lovely lily koi, this lovely lily koi, and that lovely lily koi, which is a cutting from this lovely lily koi, we will then use oots, which have been harvested of their original occupants. In order to fit Petey into his new home, we're going to have to do some remodeling. Send out mad props to our friends at Koala Farmers, who have provided us with beautiful little lily kois.
You mean PT food?
As in Petey food. What do you call it when Petey has enough to eat? He's Petey full. We take the Petey house, line it with some plush carpeting, and hopefully, using my careful calculations,
Does it fit?
it does, but it's going to drop rather dramatically. So the question is, will this work if this drops? The answer is kind of. And there we have a Petey home. So if you ever had to move out of your house, let's say there's a little forceful eviction happening over here. What I've got is the isolated 3 babies, so I'm assuming this is a combination of Meeny, Miny, and Mo. Meeny, Miny, and Mo. And I'm going to go ahead and swing these guys onto their new habitat. And I'm probably going to need both hands. Meeny, Miny. There you go. Hey, Mo. Yep. You are moving on up. Significant upgrade in my opinion. Alright, go ahead. Go to it. Destroy this plant. Love you, boys. Or girls. Or whatever. Have fun. Mission accomplished. So, somewhere in there, a bunch of caterpillars that will hopefully, well, not hopefully, they better freaking turn into butterflies. It's a jungle in there. Petey, Pal, Eeny, Meeny, Miny, and Mo. When your plants give you pets. So speaking of death, brings us to a little indoor gardening. Let's have a moment of silence for our buddy, Eddie. You're such a good caterpillar. Why'd you have to die? Why'd you have to eat that leaf that was probably moldy and gross? And oh, hi, Petey. You're still around. Okay. Miney and Mo seem to be doing okay. Hey, Miney. No, Mo's dead. Sorry. Meanie and Miney. Hey, Meanie. So we are left here at the Great Caterpillar Experiment with 3 fritillaries. Petey, the original, and of Eddie, Eenie, Meenie, Miney, and Mo, we have Meanie and Miney. Meanie and Miney. And we have a lesson to kill the bugs before you show it to your girlfriend so she doesn't want to turn them into pets. Lesson learned. You're my boy, Eddie! You were my boy! I need Petey to do what's best for Petey. No way.
I don't see the other caterpillars.
Let me check. As soon as this guy gets on your goddamn leaf. Yay!
Is he falling off?
Successful transfer without.
You think he fell? I think the others fell off.
I don't think so. I'll check. Okay, Petey. You're like way due, dude. Come on, pull-ups. Let's go. Core. Get your abs in it. Come on, Petey. Get your abs in it. Let's go, buddy. Get on that leaf. Get it on.
He wasn't crawling on the leaf too.
Alright. Go to town, buddy. You're welcome. You're welcome. You never say thank you. Please eat. Please. Where are you going, fuzzy little bastard?